I think winning the World Cup is the crowning achievement of Lionel Messi's career. What do you think? Do you think so, or you have a different opinion? Hello everyone, welcome to Bornil Academy. In this video, I'm going to talk about a collocation, and it is crowning achievement. Crowning achievement. It means the greatest or the most significant achievement. So, rather than saying winning the World Cup is the greatest achievement of Lionel Messi's career, we can say winning the World Cup is the crowning achievement of Lionel Messi's career. Often we need to talk about success or achievement. While talking about success or achievement, we can use this collocation easily. And you know, we can use it in our IELTS speaking test as well. And if you'd like to join our next IELTS batch, please contact us on this number. Let's make another sentence with this collocation. If he gets the scholarship, it will be the crowning achievement for him. If he gets the scholarship, it will be the crowning achievement for him. And for me, the crowning achievement is overcoming the fear of public speaking. I was painfully shy in my childhood and I couldn't speak before the crowd. But nowadays, I've come out of my shell and I consider it as a crowning achievement. And what about your crowning achievement? Don't forget to put a comment. Just write down a few lines about the crowning achievement of your life in the comment section. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video.